Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Lemon Nanari Sarbath. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy Lemon Nanari Sarbath every day for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Soak 1 tablespoon of Sabja seeds or basil seeds in water and let this rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see the basil seeds have bloomed well. Keep this ready. Now take a juicer jar and to this add 3 tablespoons of Sabja seeds. A tablespoon of lemon juice. This is juice of 1 lemon. Then add a tablespoon of Nanari Sarbath. You can go with any brand of your choice. Finally, add 2 cups of water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this Sarbath today. The store-bought Nanari Sarbath will have the sweetening ingredient. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of honey to this Sarbath. Finally, decorate with a lemon slice. Now our healthy Lemon Nanari Sarbath is ready. Serve it, chill and enjoy with your family and friends. This drink a day boosts your immunity and helps to beat the heat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. So do try this Lemon Nanari Sarbath recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.